Do you hear me?
Yes, sir. Can you share skin your problem?
Okay.
Okay, you can share.
Yes, but at this moment I am from a laptop, PC.
Yes, you can join this not PC.
Wait, wait.
Okay, okay. I'll waiting.
Is this difficult for you?
Okay, no problem. But rotate skin. Yes, this right way.
Uh, Man, wait a minute, please. I I want to find my microphone
Okay, man, no
to hear
problem. Okay, okay.
to hear me better. Have you Do you have a time? Man, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I cannot use microphone, unfortunately. Uh, Before make this job, are you sure that you understand exactly what do I want for you?
Okay, sir. Just meeting link. Join your laptop.
If you can speak more slowly because I don't understand very good. Look here,
Yes, sir.
I have the control of two of them.
Okay. Then
And
this click here.
and I want this. Build the builder engineer box. And
Yes.
if I click in this,
Uh, okay, sir. This language is changing English. I comfortable English language.
I, yes, this language is in Greek, and they say that uh, I Facebook Meta Business sent a message in Olivia to click. I agree.
Okay, boss. Olivia Facebook account not active because your Facebook ID full access control this your face, but you don't know your page access full control. First of all, you can click here page access. You know what? Click here page access.
Access left side, yes.
Yes, this setting option. Click here. Yes,
Man,
yes.
listen to me. Listen to me. If I give you my codes, you can do it.
Yes, sir. I can do it.
Uh, I hope that you don't fool me because I have two pages with a lot of followers. It's difficult for me to doing this exactly thing. So I give you my password.
Okay, no problem, just boss. You can your Facebook details, login details. Give me only 30 minutes. All after finish your work. No problems, sir. I confidently. I am a professional freelancer. I don't. I am not tout. I'm honestly. I confident your work finished. No problem, sir.
Okay. Uh, are you sure that Meta Business Suite didn't ban me? Because I think it's paranormal this energy for you.
Yes, I'm sure. I'm sure Meta Business officially Meta Business no it don't affect, but easily for your access your face, no problem, sir.
Okay. Man,
Okay, sir. Wait, I can check
I
your message.
as after this energy, I want to merge this page. Is it difficult after this to make this energy?
Okay,
I want to
sir. No tension, sir. This I am here. I work finish early. No tension, sir. Please believe me. Your work finish right now. No tension. Wait. I can log in. I can log in your Facebook. I after finish your work. No problem.
but if I can you enter in my account?
Yes, sir. I don't understand. Again, tell me,
Ah,
uh, sir. Don't password. I right now.
uh, they asked me that someone tried to enter, and I click yes, I am.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes. Notification. Yes, sir. Yes. Finish. It's me. Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Wait. I just check. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Uh, Now you want to finish the call. Man, I will go out for my children,
Oh,
and I have to go.
okay. Okay. No problem, sir. You can go. No problem.
How many time do you think that you need?
Only you give me 1 hour only. Only total 1 hour. Okay.
You are very good man.
Okay. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you, sir. Are you very very good man and smart boy? I I trust you and I respect.
If we haven't before 4 years similar transaction, I will not give you codes. But everything okay. Okay, I will leave
Okay.
from my house. If you want something, send me on Messenger.
Okay, sir. No problem. You can message. I can finish your work. I message you. No problem. You can leave right now.
Okay, you want to close or log out for my account now?
Log out. No close. This your
O-
access. No problem. Then finish your work. I log out your account. No.
Okay, I will leave and I will leave from house and I leave it and I leave it like
Okay,
this.
sir. You
Okay.
take and are you wait? Give me 1 hour. Give me 1 hour. I can finish your work. I text you. No tension, sir.
Yes, but man, in my country now it's night. The money I will send you tomorrow.
Okay, okay, no problem, sir. No problem. No problem.
If Everything it's okay. I will send you 60 euro, no 50.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay, okay, sir. Have a nice day. Tata. Bye bye.
Yasu, bye bye.